Aswang!
Baka agay kasakit. No, no. No, 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 no. No! Di, hawa sa... Siat ay, siat. Matumba gali na si Yuri ron. Siat, kaya siya oy. Hi guys, punta kami ngayon ng Dumaguete City sa Robinsons. Doon din namin hihintayin si Dimitri kasi flight niya pabalik dito sa Dumaguete ngayon. Mga 4 PM daw yung ano niya, yung flight, and then dadating siya dito mga 5:30 kung hindi ma-delay yung ano niya, flight niya. Si Yuri, oh. Did you miss Papa? Ha? Pero sabi niya kanya na miss daw niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, how much you miss Papa? Sabi niya ganito, big. Sasakay kami ulit ng bao-bao papunta sa town, then from town sasakay na naman kami ng jeep papuntang Dumaguete. Oh. Yuri, where are you going? Yurayon, are you going to Robinsons? What are you gonna do in Robinsons? We're waiting for bao-bao, Yuri. Turtle. Baka, sama ka sa amin, Baka. Okay. Andun si Chorny. Gusto nilang sumama sa amin. You go home already. Maligsan yun mo dire. You want to die here on the road? Yo. Himala ang bata, o gusto niyo maglakad ngayong araw. Kahapon ayaw maglakad, gustong magpakarga lagi. Yuri, are you a good boy today? Yes.
Are you a good boy?
No.
No. You are.
You're a bad boy?
You are a good boy.
What do you
Because
like?
you're
Bad or
walking. No. Bad is not nice. Good is nice. So
What
you
are
should
you?
be good.
Baby angel or baby?
Okay, call the tricycle. Come on.
Tricycle!
Now, come here. We want to ride.
We want to ride tricycle!
Now, where are you?
Where are you? Tricycle!
Say, we need to go to Robinsons.
We need to go to Robinson! We need to play! We need to play coin!
And buy. What you gonna buy? What are you gonna buy?
And buy toy.
Toys. Yuri, ayan ang tricycle, Yuri, oh. Tinawag ni Yuri ang tricycle, dumating. Go na! Very good. You called the tricycle and the tricycle came. Go! Right here.
Tricycle!
Nanawag siya ni mo, kuya. Tricycle! Diri ka, be. Diri ka skilid kay mahulog na dira si Baka. Oh! Hoy, Baka! Bye-bye, Baka. Chorne, go home na. Go home. You go home. Nindot kay view dire. Ganda ng view. Pull tightly. What's that? Balloon? Nandito na kami sa town, sa Dawin. Grabe ang init dito, pero sa amin sa Baslay, umuulan, laging umuulan doon. Dito sobrang init. Super init dito. Pero na ng jeep, oh. Sakay ta ng jeep. You want Chucky? Later na, baby, in Robinsons, baby. Let's go. Kagipagi ta. We need to ride jeepney now. We go to Robinsons. Go. Up, go up. There. Diritas landong. It's okay. Diri ka na. Hey.
in Robinsons.
Here, welcome sa Robinson, Yuri. Choo-choo, here comes the train. The choo-choo, here comes the train is close. Close. Si Yuri nakakita na ng... Ha? Nakakita na ng mga sweets dito. Sweets corner. Yuri, only one, okay? Only one lollipop. You choose only one. Yeah, this one, watermelon. Your favorite fruit. Open? Open sa... Ayun na si Yuri. Oh, ang bilis talaga maglakad ni Yuri pag papunta ng playground. Gusto niya palang maglaro doon sa World of Fun. Yung may maghulog-hulog ka ng coins. Wow, jackpot! Say cheese! Si Yuri gusto kumain dito sa Jollibee. Doon sana namin gusto kumain sa Mang Inasal, pero si Yuri gusto sa Jollibee. So dito na lang kami sa Jollibee. Let's go Yuri, dali! Okay. Now we have to wait for our order. We have to be patient, okay? So hungry. Oh, kapur. It's gonna beep soon. You ready? One. Countdown. Countdown. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, lunchtime. Si Yuri may nakuha na laruan sa kiddie meal. You want spoon? Pagkuha dito, spoon. Spoon and fork. Oh wait, not yet. Wait, nami. Eat chicken? Nandito kami sa isang mall. Bibili kami ng mga bag para sa aking pamangkin, sa aking kapatid. At si Yuri, pumili din siya ng kanya. Pag mas malaki pa sa kanya yung napili niya, ang paborito kasi niyang character is Paw Patrol, yung paborito niyang cartoon. Tapos walang maliit na Paw Patrol. Ito ang pinakamaliit. Ayun, yan oh, ayaw na niyang bitawan yan. Gustong-gusto niya. Mag-aaral pala siya ng kinder. Pag-aaralin ko siya ng kindergarten doon sa amin lang, sa Baslay. Classmate sila nung kapitbahay namin, si Ningning, yung anak ng aming kapitbahay. Yuri, ready na ka mo go to school? Go to school na siya. Oh, murag kurik. Dako pa niya ng iyang bag. Daghang po low price. Bibili din kami ng mga pang pasalubong para sa buhol kina mama at papa. Di ko nga alam kung ano nangyari sa phone ko, guys. Habang nagre-record ako sa video na to, ay nawala yung sound niya. Ayan pala si Dimitri, dumating na dito sa may pinamilhan namin ng mga gamit. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, nandito kami, dito na lang kami magkikita. Kakarating lang talaga niya, galing pa siya ng
airport, tapos diretso na siya dito sa mall. At si Yuri naman, ayan, makita niyo, sobrang saya niya na bumalik na yung papa niya. Akala kasi ni Yuri, guys, si papa niya ay nagpunta lang sa ibang lungsod dito sa Negros. At ayan, timing ang pagdating ni Dimitri kasi tapos na rin kaming mamili ng mga gamit na pasalubong ko para sa aking parents at kapatid at pamangkin doon sa Bohol. Kasi itong kapatid ko dito ay uwi na siya ng Bohol sa susunod na mga araw. Kasi mag-aaral na din siya. First year college na siya ngayong pasukan. Nagutom si Dimitri kaya dito na kami sa Jollibee kumain bago kami umuwi ng bahay. Pero ako busog pa ako. Kakakain lang namin ng Jollibee. Mamaya na ako maghahapunan. Si Yuri, nakakuha na naman siya ng Cocomelon toy sa kanyang kiddie meal. Ang cute.
The gas boy.
Yuri, oh. May ibang outfit na naman si Yuri. Every store, iba-iba ang outfit. Wow, so strong ka. You are very strong.
I'm so strong.
Yeah.
Hey, Papa.
Papa, you will buy that?
Have you tried?
Yeah.
You try.
Nag-check si Dimitri dito ng mga gym, mga pang gym. Next time we'll buy, next time Yuri.
Papa, you try.
I'm sir size. I'm sir size. Pasalubong ko from Manila. Chocolate. It's for Yuri? Wow. Para kay Yuri. Mga coloring books. Favorito niyang mga characters. What's this? Paw Patrol, Cocomelon, and Blippi. This is for me. I like dark chocolate. You're really my husband. You know what I like.
And this from hotel. This also for you.
And this, yeah,
I would not bring.
I especially asked this from hotel. Kasi it's from Okada. Nag-Okada si Dimitri. Sana all. I asked him to bring everything from Okada because it's very expensive hotel and I know he paid for this. It's including.
So it's for you.
Yuri, what's this? Something sweet?
No, it's kinda powder.
You brought an umbrella?
Yeah, so it's rainy.
Ah. Ang cute. Cute naman ang mga laruan ni Yuri. Pasalubong. Oh, you have this jeepney from Manila. Ah, Baguio City. Why is this Baguio City? You been to Baguio City?
Yeah.
Huh?
No, it's in Robinson.
Why it's Baguio?
Uh,
You didn't trade. You should bought Manila, not Baguio.
I just like the chicken.
Cute. Cute mga laruan ni Yuri, oh. Super cute. Natulog na ang bata. So, bukas na namin to ibibigay.
It's so
Blippi.
fancy, but
Yeah.
so kind of not sharp.
So fancy.
And this cream make me red. I was red after this allergy.
You enjoyed staying in Okada? One night in Okada and how many nights in cheap hotel?
And for 200 peso.
You also stayed in 200 peso hotel?
No, I didn't stay there.
Why? It's so dirty there.
It just a room like that. That's all.
Ah.
And aircon like so noisy.
That's why it's for 200. You cannot find 200 here, even here in Dumaguete.
But it's for the room. It's very cheap because usually for 200 you share room with somebody like
Yeah.
lot of beds. Actually, for separate room.
At least you have experienced Okada Hotel. See your surprise. Do you like your surprises? Do you like it? Papa's surprise from Manila. Manila.
Ice cream.
toys. Ice cream? That's not ice cream.
It's not ice cream.
It's just a toy.
Papa, can you open?
Please. Say please.
Ah, look, I know.
What is that?
A cocomelon.
A cocomelon. Wow, you need crayons for that, baby. Coloring book. What's that? A Paw Patrol.
Need to open.
You can put it in your bag, baby.
Later.
Later, yeah.
Ah, this
Chicken.
one look.
Guys, it's magic board. Need to put battery.
You need battery for magic board. Magandang araw everyone! Nandito kami sa Pamplona, Negros Oriental, dito sa may Cafe Alicia. Isa sa pinaka dito, sikat na pasyalan. Pasyal namin na aking kapatid kasi uuwi na siya this week sa Bohol. Yuri is right there. And Dimitri. And Yuri is here. Ano pala dito guys, 100 pesos ang entrance fee nila. Tapos may cafe, may restaurant din sila dito. Lilibot ko kayo dito ha. Oh wow, ang daming kois. Mga koi fish. Pero
Go inside. Swim.
you swim with the fish. Nakapunta na kami dati dito nila Dimitri at Yuri. Actually, always foggy to dito. Ngayon lang mainit. Yeah, medyo mainit dito ngayon. Malas yung kapatid ko sa fog. Hinihintay niya mag-fog doon sa amin. Hindi rin nag-fog. Dito kasi, laging foggy dito. First time kong nakapunta dito na hindi nag-fog. Kasi malamig to dito eh. Oh, ang ganda niyan. Picture dito. Pang Facebook, Instagram. Ganda ang view. This is in Pamplona, Negros Oriental. Dito din yung isang kaibigan namin na Russian and Filipina. Picture? Ako arang phone ay. Yan ang restaurant nila oh. At saka may playground doon. Si Yuri gusto nang magpunta sa playground. Go Yuri!
No.
It's okay! It's okay, don't be scared. 1, 2, 3 Go! Hadlukan. Takot siya mag-slide. Again? Tara dito tayo sa kanilang bridge. Let's ask first kung pwede bang maglakad dito. Kuya! Pwede ra dire mo adto me? Ah. Okay. Wow. Ang taas ng bridge. Dito magandang magpicture oh. Wow, it's so high. Oh my gosh, it's scary. Wow, ang ganda. Dire may bugnaw ang hangin. Medyo malamig yung hangin dito, banda. Tingnan natin kung hindi matakot si Yuri sa bridge. Are you not scared? Hala. Look, Papa. He stopped.
Go.
Go. Let's go. Go, Yuri. Kainit kayo. Asa yung kalo? Nawala yung kalo. Nawa na ni. Are you scared? Dihara mo, oy. You stay with Anin there. Let's go there. It's nice there. We gonna come back later. See, it's big there. I think they have a cafe there or some hotel. I don't know. Looks big there. My God, ang taas. Parang nakakatakot siya. Medyo nagsishake-shake siya. Jeez! Scary.
It's shaking.
It's shaking? Are you scared? I'm actually scared. Medyo nakakatakot siya. Ang taas. Ay! Parang ayoko. Ay! It's actually same like in Darwin, yeah. The yellow bridge where we've been with who's that? Oh my god, I'm scared here. Let's go back. I'm actually scared. Ah! I cannot guys. It's really scary. It's so high and the bridge is shaking. I cannot. I cannot go there.
You cut the road.
I'm too scared now. Yeah, if you come here, you really have to look to the road or some. You don't look down because it's more scary. I wanna go back. Ayoko pumunta doon, nakakatakot. Siguro mas takot ako ngayon kasi buntis ako. Dati naman hindi ako matatakutin. Pag buntis lang ako, matatakutin ako. Bakit kaya wala na silang mga bulaklak dito? Dati ang daming bulaklak dito. Ah, yung may ano sila, oh, maganito. Nen, munsiga man ni magabi ning rose. Yeah. Don't come here, it's very hot. Go back to Papa. Punta kami dun sa may chapel nila. Super ganda ng chapel. Maganda siyang, pang wedding, Dito ka magpakasal. Sobrang ganda. Actually, madaming nagpupunta dito para mag prenup, prenup photoshoot. Ah, nandito pala yung bike. Zipline na bike. Pwede ka rin mag-zipline na bike dito, oh. Ano tawag dun? Dira, oh. Mag-zipline bike ka. Di ko mahadlok gali ko sa bridge. Ayoko mag-zipline bike dyan. Natatakot nga ako dun sa bridge. Zipline bike pa kaya. This is their cute chapel. Sobrang ganda. Mas maganda talaga dito pag foggy. Nung last time na nagpunta dito, malamig, tapos foggy. Ang ganda.
I'm first or second day.
Because you have cold or you're sick. Halo-halo. 120 pesos ang halo-halo nila. Then nag-order na kami ng pizza. Halo-halo nin. Picture natin ko dahil nice, very nice here. More refreshing, more fresh here than the inside.
So many too.
You already drink water? Beat the heat. Nice. Yes. How's the pizza? Lami? Lami lang pizza. Lami?
Na, kabawa siya sa kagmangga.
Pwede na siya pa dadi tos buhol. Tigsa kag mangga. I can catch you. Init kayo diri Yuri. Go slide. Go slide.
Slide.
Don't go yet.
She'll go to here.
Go Yuri, go.
You put.
Oh, sa other side. Sa other side. Lay, go.
Yuri.
Oh, curious.
Well, so happy. Magandang hapon, everyone. Nandito kami sa isang resort sa Darwin kasi inimbitahan kami ng tita ko. Birthday ng tita ko ngayon. 50th birthday niya. Yuri. Say hi.
Sleepy si Yuri.
Ang ganda dito.
Excavator.
Tura sila oh.
Excavator.
Excavator is in the car.
Nandun yung ano, hala, patay na ay kuan swimming pool. Papa, good luck with Yuri. Patay. Good luck. Yuri, you cannot swim. We didn't bring for swimming. Because not allowed to swim here if you're not like staying in the hotel, the room. If you're just for restaurant, just restaurant. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Oh. Uy, dili ko mo blow, dili imong birthday. Yay! Ayan lang po everyone. Maraming salamat sa panunood sa vlog na ito at magkita-kita tayo guys sa susunod na vlog. Paalam!